These are lime kilns. I don't know a lot about them, but I'm going to do some research and I'll find out what exactly they did. I mean, lime, of course, rings a bell. This is called limekiln wood, which makes sense, of course, but very interesting. There you go. Should we go inside? Let's have a bit of light on the map there. And it looks like here, that's the ones that are, it looks like it's either collapsed or is that as far as it went, and this was the end of the, oh look, there's a wheel. We have to research this and find out exactly. Oh, the big metal bar looks like it's collapsed a bit, so I'm not going to stay in here too long. It's a little bit spooky. There we go. Spin around. Look at this tree. I don't know how far it dates back. I think it's... Did they stop using this after the Second World War? I shouldn't hear me. Anyway, just thought I'd show you. The birds, oh, it's beautiful. I believe as well, close by, there is a cave which we're going to see if we can find as well at the same time. Wild garlic, just about to come into flower. Some good edibles in this wood. These will be blackberries, won't they, coming out soon? And then you've got lords and ladies, and you don't want to confuse these because these are not good for you. And that is cuckoo pipe. That's what happens. That's when they go to seed, isn't it? Yeah? Poisonous. Poisonous, yeah. We've also got nettles. So you've got nettle soup, nettle tea. Garlic smells wonderful, so try this. I'm not going to eat any on the track, but beautiful smell. Because probably dogs have peed on that. Dandelion leaves, good for salads. This is elderberry tree for elderberries. They're edible, and normally on an elderberry tree you'll find, they call them Jew's ears, jelly's ears. Can't see any at the moment. Look at all this wild garlic. It's coming into flower now. Smells amazing. All the way down. Right the way down. As far as the eye can see actually. All the way down there. This is slime mould. I'm not saying I don't think it's edible. I just want to show you. Oop, be careful. And then I'm not going to go anywhere near, but look at this. So where we just came round, so we've just gone sort of to the left of where we came to the lime kilns, and these are the shafts. So these probably is it a chimney? I do not know. I'll find out, because we were down there, right down there, and that's where the old lime kilns are. So, and underneath here, look, down there. We've stumbled down there. Yeah, they've got to be the chimneys. This is number 2. You get too close. Got to be. Look at the walls. Another edible, and not out yet, of course, long time to go yet. It's just coming out because it's just the start of spring, but hazel, very distinguishable by the leaves. More hazel. Crumbles or King Alfred's cake. Great one. Oh, pretty good. Great fire starters. I believe these are called bell pits. This is where part of the mine shaft where they were mining was caved in, and there's another one up there. It's caved in. We're looking for a cave as well. Right, I think I found the cave. It's getting down without breaking your neck. It's a bit sloshy. Right. Under. Beautiful bluebell. And over. Look at this. They're edible. Okay, they are. I think these are oysters. I think they've gone though. Oysters. Have they? There we go. Oh, I can probably. Yeah, it looks a bit slippy. Yeah. Yeah. And there we go. Be careful. I've got my phone in a waterproof case because it's dripping down here. Let's get in. Whoop. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't know how far it goes, but there's the roof. Hold on, just see how far it goes, quite a bit. I haven't got a good enough torch. Yeah, it's in here, I'm in here. Go a bit further. It's getting a bit low now. There we go. Ooh. There's a bit sticking out everywhere. Floor. And there we are. It looks like it's caved in at the end here. Yeah, it is, look. You can see the rubble. Or they've done it before. I'm sorry, my torch isn't the best. There we go. That was an interesting little find. Get out with it. Over. Low. Mild peril for today. Get out with it for you. Mind your bonds. It's a bit low there. Whew. Phone's not adjusted yet. That's better. There you go. Amazing. Really beautiful fern. Just coming out now, look. Come here. I know some are edible. I don't know which ones, I'm not going to say anyway, but I believe that some of these are edible. Anyway, so yeah, these are beech. No, I didn't. This could be beech. They usually grow on beech. These are oysters, and they are, when they're really fresh and just right, they're a much more lighter colour, a lighter, creamier colour, and they are absolutely fantastic eating. But disclaimer, make sure you know your stuff before you're picking your mushrooms. We have had these, I've tasted these, I've had lots of these, and they are magnificent. There we go. Oyster. They look like oysters. Oh. Ready to focus. Bit too late though, never mind. This is hoof fungus. Fantastic for fire lighting. These to carry a spark in, this hoof fungus. Not bigger than this, of course. And also what it's sitting on is silver birch, which we all know is a natural fire starter because it contains tar. That's what they make these when they make a birch bark canoe, and then you want to glue it together and use the tar. This is polypore, it's a bit gone, but you can sharpen a knife with that and use it for a plaster. Not in that condition, of course, when it's really fresh. I don't think we're going to find one, but if we do, I'll show you that as well. Here's another bell tip. It looks like a bell, so you start off, you know, the shape of a bell, comes like that and then goes round. Then they got inside and they dug sideways, I believe. I will look that up to see if it's right. Some more cramp balls there, look on that. See, that one there, there's quite a few up there. I don't need any more. Turkey tail. Supposed to have very, very good healing properties. There you go. From the back they look like little steeples. And these little buttes we think are St. George's. Like I said, make sure you're 100%. We're taking his own to identify them. We have had them before. Bulbous bottom.
I've been looking for bulbous bottoms.
Jane says she's been looking for a good bulbous bottom for some time now. There you go. Definitely, I think St. George's will definitely confirm when we get home. We'll consult the Book of Wisdom. But we're 99.9% sure they are. Some more there. And there's some more just coming up now. So we must remember this where they are. There we go. So where we've been walking around is like Colebrookdale, it's called. And yet this is the moles. Look at what that was then. But you can see that. Let me just get it. Look at that. It's like black. Okay, there we go. What else we've been looking for, but we won't find any here, is morels. They're out now. They're a lovely mushroom, beautiful mushroom, but you need wood chip. Usually old wood chips or logs have been cut down and left, and then usually you'll get the odd morel, which are supposed to be pretty lush. A beautiful gnarly tree, look. Don't know if there's anything to do with the mine. I don't know. We'll have to look into that, but it looks like it could be a bit of a dike or something. I don't know. There we go. Bit of a nature trail walk for us today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, if you came along with us, if you give it a thumbs up, that would be brilliant. A like and subscribe, even better. The bird noise, bit of water. There we go, that's it. Thanks very much for watching if you did. Take care. Love you all loads. See you in the next vid.